Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Halloween Happy. If you are new here, my name is Sam. So in today's video, I have a little unpacking, a little unboxing for you. Some Halloween stuff, some planner things. Today's mug is this one right here. I feel like I got this one last year, if I'm not mistaken. I think I got this at TJ Maxx. I'm also drinking, I think it might be Dunkin' Donuts or it might be Keurig, but they have like it was like a pumpkin latte where everything's already in it. It's pretty tasty. It's very fall-like, you know, it helps the wallet, if you know what I'm saying. By the way, both of my windows are open, and as I'm filming this video, it is October 1st. I'm also wearing this Nevermore sweatshirt. I got this from Spirit Halloween, and then if anyone's curious, these earrings are from Twilight Clay Co. You'll find her. She has the cutest clay earrings and so many cute spooky ones. So I'm sure most of you know that I love crafting. I love doing planner stuff, and stay tuned because I'm starting to work on some things with that. But one of my favorite companies to get planner stuff and like sticker albums and covers is from Simply Gilded. I didn't blow dry my bangs today, so I feel like they look a little funky, but that's all right. Here are the two sticker albums that I got. They were sold as a combo, and then you also get a little charm. Two of my other sticker albums that I have, they are the metallic covers. Let me grab one real quick. Are these right here, and this is what I keep some of my planner stickers. I really need to go through and organize them, but I just kind of throw everything in there right now. But I really love these. It's vegan leather, but it's so buttery, so soft. This is the small item, as you can see, and it has the scalloped edge. It's like, and it just has all of these clear pages. You could put photos in here, you could put stickers, really anything you want in here. So flexible. Just like the perfect size. And up here, if you wanted, you can add your charm. So here's the large album. As you can see, it's the same color, black, and then it also has the scalloped edges. It's the same, but just a bigger size because there's so many more stickers that you can fit in here. It has more pages. I leave them on my desk, and then when I'm getting ready to plan for the week, I'll grab them, get what I need out of them, and put them away instead of having to like dig through drawers to see what kind of stickers I'm gonna use, and it just cuts down on time, which I really appreciate. So here's the bow charm that comes with the bundle. They do sell them separately, but I just knew that I would use both of the albums, so I went ahead and got the bundle. Now all of the albums have this ring up top, so this is where you can put the charm, and it's just like that. I did want to mention, so there's 20 clear pockets. You also get the pocket on the front cover like this. So let's get into the stickers and into this washi tape because I'm so excited and I can't wait to start planning with this. These bat stickers, you can use these for envelopes. You can also use them in your planner, whatever your little heart desires. Comes with a planner card. You can use this for anything. I thought this was really cute. This just came with the packing, so I think that's just like a little freebie that was included. I feel like I ordered more, but I guess not. You can see it has the bats. I love that it has the foil on it. These are more like functional planning stickers. You get the two ribbons where you can put your task to the side, and then you get a few of these heart stickers and errands to do, emails to check, photos to take, if you go to the gym, meal planning if one of your favorite shows is on. This is the other freebie that was included. I feel like you guys cannot see that. Having a hard time to focus on the holographic. Okay, so now the best part is getting into these Halloween washies. I'm obsessed. I won't link the washi tapes individually, but I'll link the shop just because I feel like the Halloween stuff went pretty fast. She may have done like a mini restock, but the ones that I got were just the ones that were kind of left over. So here is the first one. It's like glitter falling. It's kind of like a snowfall. Glitter really pops on the black background, like very magical. Next up we have like this little witchy potion bottle. It's like a plant kind of vibe, but I want to say it was like from her Nevermore, which is kind of bizarre that I'm wearing this sweatshirt. I didn't even plan that. So cute. This one I can't seem to find where it's cut at, but it's the exact same as the black and glitter one, just a smaller size. I thought these were really cute. I love the purple holographic, and it's two separate ones, but they come as a pack. Here's the bats. Here are the skulls. So these here are the same design, but they are on a pink holographic. It's more pinky for these ones. I thought these would be good for Halloween, of course. All the ones that I'm showing you now came in a pack, but they're super teeny little tapes. These are also the same design, just on a different background. This is more of like a silver chrome. I don't know if you can see it. Very, very pretty, I think. And then these ones are the same pattern, but the bats are on a white tape, and then these skulls are just on a black. Here are the last tapes. These ones are more of like a rose gold. Not sure if the camera's gonna pick that up well, but it's a very pretty rose gold, and it's just the same pattern of the skulls and the bats. I thought these would be good for like pink spooky Christmas would be cute, also Halloween. All right guys, well that's gonna be it. This was just a quick little video. I wanted to share these with you. You can check out Simply Gilded. I will put the shop link down below. I cannot wait to use them in my planner. If you could do me a quick favor on your way out and go ahead and like this video, I would appreciate it so, so much. Let me know in the comments how you're celebrating the beginning of October. Are you going to haunted houses? Are you going to pumpkin patches? Are you going on a hayride? Tell me all the Halloween things you are doing. I want to know. All right guys, so I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thanks for watching. I love you. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.